Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep from Xiaomi India and I'm here to talk about one of my favorite gadgets that we introduced at Smarter Living this year. This is the Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mop 2i from Xiaomi, and this is a phenomenal device that I loved using for the past couple of weeks. So I've been loving it for 5 main reasons, and reason number 1 is the brand new powerful suction motor on this. 2200 pascals of suction power, which means that anything and everything in your home can be cleaned with ease. My second favorite thing about this is that it comes with 25 high precision sensors, a gyroscope, as well as visual aided navigation, which makes sure that there are sensors that helps in mapping out your home in real time, ensuring that it does really good and accurate cleaning. It also has obstacle detection and avoidance, which makes sure that it does not go and bump anywhere unnecessary, even if you have shifted things about, especially useful if you are at a home with kids or pets involved. And most importantly, it also comes with an anti-fall sensor. Example, if you have stairs, this makes sure that it does not topple over stairs and damage the product by itself. The third important point is that it has a 450 ml large capacity dustbin, which ensures that you have less frequency in terms of cleaning out your dustbin, and is also suitable for homes with larger surface area that allows you to clean a larger home in one single shot. Fourth one is the advanced mopping feature. Now I love this because this has an electronically adjusted water pump along with a very large water tank that activates in 3 different levels of water setting to help disperse just the right amount of water so that your floors are not soaked but rather just clean and spick and span like you always want. The fifth highlight or feature is that you can use this with your Xiaomi Home app. So not only do you have all your smart devices in one single location, but you can actually remotely control your Robo Vacuum Cleaner. You can schedule cleanups, you can check the status of your cleanup, and also change the different modes that is available on your RVC Mop 2i. Overall, the Xiaomi RVC Mop 2i is a great vacuum cleaner, especially in this segment, considering that it gives you an easy and effortless way to keep your home looking clean and tidy anywhere, anytime. And it's also a great buy, especially for those of you who have pets and children at home, considering that this allows you to maintain your home very easily at the touch of a button.